Anay, play mo na.
Sometimes I get a good feeling. I got yeah.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. You don't know you're beautiful. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Like baby, baby, like a love song, baby. Like baby, I love you like a love song, baby. Like baby, baby, baby. Oh, thought you'd always be mine, mine.
Kinakabahan ako kasi ngayon ko lang ginawa to. So, yun. Gusto ko masaya ka sa araw na to. Yan. So, syempre, bago ko tapusin yung mensahe ko para sa'yo, syempre, hindi naman matatapos ang araw na to na syempre, hindi lang ako yung babati sa'yo. So, meron pang gustong bumati sa'yo. Ay, balik. So, meron pang mga gusto bumati sa'yo ngayong araw. So,
Sama naman na.
sit back and enjoy and watch this video until the end. So, yun ay, happy birthday. I love you. I love you so much. Inararo taman mo. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Happy lang. Ingat. More blessings na lang. Okay. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Sana happy ka na lang po sa birthday mo because I have a gift for you. And I have something to say to you and Daddy. I love you too.
Happy birthday, Dan. I pray you're always happy and more birthday to come. Sige na.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Hindi ako mamahig, hindi ka iiyak. Birthday ko naman, pinapaiyak mo pa. Kailan po? Thank you, Tay. I love you. Bakit iyak ka? Ba't kami iyak? Ano?
Bawi yung lupit.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo na iba ko kung bumawi na kaya lulubusin ko na.
Mas madami sa akin yung daya mo.
Love you.